well now, of course, Pet Nation is not just about doing fun stuff with your pets, it's also about informing you and getting you the right information on how you should deal with your pets. And to help me out today, I have Dr.P.D.Sharma here.
Hello.
Well, doctor is a vet in Sector 41 in Noida.
Yeah.
And we are today going to talk about cats and the right way to deal with them. So doctor, why don't we start with when you're getting kittens, right? What should you look out for? What are the basic things to look out for?
Basically, the appropriate age for taking a cat out of his mother is around 2 months.
2 months.
And the vaccination has to be started from 2 months itself. Initial deworming is required, which has to be done by the breeder itself and the person who is taking care of the kitten. So deworming has to be started from around 20 days of age, and it has to be repeated after every 15 days up to the age of 3 months. And it is recommended that after 3 months, after 6 months, it has to be once a month.
So doctor, talk about kitten needs. What about vaccination? It's a very important need for a kitten. So what is the best age for vaccination to start?
There are two basic types of vaccination. One is tri-cat vaccination, the multiple shot that has to be given at 2 months of age, and it has to be repeated with boosters. Other is anti-rabies, which is also very important vaccination. That has to be started from 3 months of age.
3 months.
And deworming is a very important part which has to be covered quite earlier than vaccination. That is at around 20 days of age and repeated with a frequent intervals after consulting your vet.
So doctor, here I'm just going to get in a viewer who has a question for us regarding her kitten. So why don't you listen in on that?
Hi, I'm Samira and I have this little kitten which is 2.5 months old. As you can see her, she's very tiny, and I wanted to ask one question to the doctor. What kind of food should I give to her and what nutrition does she require?
So doctor, you heard the question there. The person's just got a kitten and they want to know about proper nutrition for their kitten. What would you like to say about that?
For kitten, basically first and foremost thing when you are bringing a kitten to your place, it is very important that earlier the breeder which is keeping what food he is giving. You have to continue some food for that time, and then you can switch over to commercial food available for kittens. There are all other good branded companies which are making good commercial food. That is the only and best food recommended for kittens.
And what about the growth? What age does the cat grow to? There is a growth spurt that happens with it.
Growth period is up to the age of around 1.5 years. But still nutrition is a very important part for whole life.
Alright. And in a cat's life, what are the ailments that they face? What sort of sicknesses?
Mostly the basic common problems which ailments which cat we encounter are basic gastroenteritis like vomition and diarrhea. And that might be the basic problem is hair balls problem. Because cats have a tendency to clean themselves.
And they also shed a lot.
Yeah, they shed a lot.
And you can see that right there on your screen.
Yeah, exactly. So that is basically hair balls cause vomition. And if your cat is repeatedly vomiting, then you have to consult your nearest vet.
So they are more sensitive than dogs?
Yeah, they are more sensitive than dogs. They are more sensitive. Still, they need not much attention because they are independent.
They are very independent.
Yeah. And upper respiratory problems are also very common.
The doctor here, I'm going to get in another viewer who has a question regarding her cat. Let's listen.
Hi, I'm Gurleena, proud owner of Sophie, my Persian cat. She's 2.5 years old and very cute, as you can see. I have a question to ask of the doctor. This is regarding grooming. I wanted to know how frequently should one groom cats and bathe them, if at all they need to be bathed.
Alright doctor, so you heard the question there. We know cats are independent, but for breeds like Persian cats, grooming is very important, isn't it doctor?
Yeah. Grooming is very important for cats. Basically like Persian cats is a long-haired breed. It is very regular brushing is required. At least it is recommended that twice or thrice a day you have to brush.
Repeat that for our viewers. Twice or thrice a day
you have to brush your cats. But still, nowadays people are busy, so at least once a day brushing is
must. And matting can happen as well, which would be terrible for the cat, very uncomfortable.
And basically, this is a major problem with the cat. And the important point which has to be considered is you should always use the shampoos which are meant for cats.
Alright.
Don't use the shampoos made for human shampoo or dog shampoo and all that. That is very important because the cat skin is totally different from human skin.
Right.
Okay, so that is a very important part. Along with it, there are special brushes for cats, like stickers and all that.
Okay. And there's this whole myth about bathing cats. You never bathe a cat. Is that true or?
It is quite true because cats need very less bathing. They clean themselves, but still you can do it once in around 2 months or 3 months. But still, regular grooming is very much required.
Alright. So you can give them a proper bath, just like how you give a dog.
You can give a proper bath, but it is very less frequently.
Very less. And what if they get a little dirty? I know they groom themselves, but how can you clean them? You just get a wet towel and just wipe them?
Basically, there are very commercial dry grooming sprays and all that are available in the market of a very good branded company. So you can use that for regular brushing, regular grooming of the cats, and don't bathe them frequently.
And Doctor, what about for viewers, who are thinking of getting a beautiful cat and they're not sure of it? What would your last words to them be?
For the viewers, it is very much recommended that nowadays, what we feel in our practice, that people are very crazy to keep companion animals, but still they don't have much time, they won't spend much time. You should be a responsible owner while taking a pet because they need your special care, and proper attention should be taken care of, and you should contact your vet and take proper advice. You take proper mental status before keeping a pup or any kitten or any companion at yours.
So Doctor, very well put. Thank you so much. So you guys heard there, you have to be informed, you have to be educated about how to take care of these lovely cats. Well, thanks so much for watching this segment, but you know what? Let's take a quick look at what we just discussed.
But before getting a cat or a kitten into your home, do consult with your vet. Kitten vaccinations start from 2 months of age. Commercially available cat food is the best for your kitten. Cats tend to take care of themselves pretty well, always licking their fur to keep it clean. Give your cat a bath once in 2 or 3 months, and remember, always to make it a fun experience for your pet.
So guys, thank you so much for watching Pet Nation, but before we leave, this is our next question. Well, this is the contest. Persian cats, where do they originate from? That's what we want you to answer. Log on to your mail. Email us at metronation@ndtv.com with your answer. Until next time, it's bye from all of us.